Happy holidays, everyone. Linda here with a quick take and, of course, what we hope you all have been waiting for, the solutions to the most recent math fixes. But before we get into that, let's talk a little about what's been going on in the COPs. We've been seeing some great contributions and resources from you and your colleagues that we all can appreciate. Like Debbie Sifo at Lake and Heath in the kindergarten COP, who posted an awesome video of her kindergartners learning about counting on from 10. Let's check it out.
11,
How adorable was that little celebration in the background, right? Or like Miss Turner in Vicenza, who posted a math game called Math Kong that she made to use with her 8th graders to help with angle relationships. See? Kind of like Donkey Kong, but using some tools to help figure out those angle relationships there. And since it is the season of giving, let's dig deep and continue to post those classroom experiences and rich resources that contribute to CCRSM teaching and learning. Recently, you may have noticed a new initiative that we've started called the COP Happy Hour. With so much going on and the challenges that can sometimes arise with implementing new standards and curriculum, we wanted to provide a space and time to just share some good things that are happening. What's been a success for you? What are you proud of right now? What's made you smile recently? We'd love to hear all about it and celebrate with you, so make sure you check out our posts and the updates with this coffee cup logo. It's cute, right? Now, let's go with some secondary updates from Ryan.
Thank you, Linda. This week's MathFix is exploring the standard 6.ns.7. This standard asks the students to understand ordering and the meaning of absolute values of rational numbers. In this fix, we ask students to use the numbers 0 through 9 only once to make 4 different numbers, of which 2 are decimals and 2 are fractions. The relationship between those numbers is 1 fraction is less than 1 decimal, which is less than another fraction, which is less than the final decimal. While there are many possible answers to this problem, a great place to start may be just to have the students generating a large list of possible outcomes. They can then present these different ideas and strategies they put together that help them to answer the question. They can also look for patterns in many of the solutions to see if there are any more interesting properties to the answer. One conversation around identifying numbers of possible solutions, or if it's infinite, can prove to be a really interesting extension. The things that you were looking for in your conversations are the ways to make small or big fractions and decimals, how they knew values were less than or greater than another, where did they start? Did your students start building fractions, or did they start building decimals? Did they make them in order, or did they use the numbers out of order or a particular order? The bonus question introduces negative numbers for the numbers to be building with and ordering. Not all of the usable numbers are negative, and that might be perplexing for some students. A conversation ahead of time about solving may help with their work with the bonus part. This question is intended to push the students to think about their negative values' influence on their previous strategies they had for the original problem. We would love to see how you and your class engage with this MathFix, so please share with us your thoughts, experiences, or even some student work in our media files area. As always, we encourage you to like and give us feedback about these and other ideas in the communities of practice.